Hi there, savewith.crypto here. Okay, so if you've been following my $2,000 trade challenge, you'll see that yesterday I was kind of dithering about whether to take profit around here, and I decided not to. And that was like possibly a mistake because the price came right back down again. And then I was fiddling with my stop losses and all that sort of thing, and then I'm still in the trade. But luckily this morning the price went back up again. So my BTC USDT trade is $544 in profit. My much smaller BTC USD one is $72 in profit. Now, with it being Tuesday, I normally go out Tuesday lunchtime and I get back about sort of 1:30, that kind of time. So it's usually when the New York session is opening, which is always slightly weird because normally the market's done something crazy by then. I mean, generally, for me, Tuesdays, are normally quite surprisingly good. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave my stop losses where they are, and I'll show you where they are. This one here, the smaller one, is at 26,563. So if that hits that, I will make 5%. Okay, not brilliant, but that's what I'll make. The larger one will make 8.17% if it hits the stop loss at 26,648, which is $149, which is not brilliant, but I think it's worth the risk because I think the price will go temporarily much higher. The reason I'm saying that is I'm just looking at the VRVP, this histogram here on the side, and I think we're in the middle of this kind of void here, and I think the price could easily go up to sort of 29.1k, possibly 29.4, even 30.4. Now I think when it gets there, it'll probably come straight back down again. But obviously, I'd like to take advantage of that position. So the fact that I'm, reasonably well percentage-wise in profit at the moment, like 30% and 29%, I think that's a good position to be in. So for now, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave them like that. The other thing I'm thinking as well is this is the whole suite indicator, this green and red band here. This is on the daily time frame, and this is starting to go green again. Now you see when it went green here, obviously that was a lovely big pump up of like 22% back in the summer, and also when it did this one here in March, that was a percentage increase of 36%, which is stunning, isn't it? So it's probably not as big as that one I'm expecting, but I'm expecting this to stay green and get a overall something like this. So on the 1 hourly time frame, the MACD is green. Let's check the 4 hourly. 4 hourly, it's also green. Okay, so at some point it's probably will come down, but I'm hoping what it will do is not come down too much, and then it will just continue going back up. So that's what I'm doing there. Okay, so that was this morning, and as you can see, the price actually did come down quite a bit around about New York Open. In fact, 3 o'clock UK time, it was right down here at 26,667. But I don't think it hit my stop. No, it didn't. Okay, so actually this USDT one is $636 in profit, and the BTC USD one is $85 in profit. Now, what I'm thinking here is I think with the smaller one, I might try and take profit and then try and re-enter, hopefully at a lower price, so I can kind of compound the gains. This underlying asset for this one is Bitcoin, so if the price of Bitcoin goes up, I'm not going to feel too bad if I'm not actually in a trade because the price of the asset is going up anyway. The other one is USDT as the underlying asset, so that one I think I'll just keep open for the time being, and then we'll maybe think about cashing that one out around about, I don't know, 28,000, something like that. So let's just have a look at the Bitcoin one. You see, to me, I think this top of the VWAP here might be a reasonable place to try and take profit. It could just blast straight past it, but we don't know, do we? So I'm going to set a take profit at 27,512. So let's do that. So take profit at 27,512. So we'll see if this fills. I mean, as the whole suite there has gone green there, that could be the equivalent of something like that. So we might be looking at a rally like that. I don't know, I'm tempted to not do what I just said. No, I think that might be a silly idea. I think it's probably worth going for something like this node here at 27621. Let's change it to that. 27623. That'll do. So let's move that to there just in case. Okay, so I just updated the Telegram channel just so the members of that can see what's happening. If you want to join that, it is totally free. But of course, I would like you to use my ByBit affiliate link, savewith.crypto.org/ByBit. And you don't have to, but if you do, you can get up to a $30,000 bonus, trading bonus, which was coming rather handy, I think, especially on a day like today, wouldn't it? Anyway, so I left that as it was for a few hours, and it's now 7:30 in the evening. And yeah, I mean, the price did come down again. I think I need to watch out for on the 5-minute when the price breaks through the green whole suite going up, because I'm looking at this, that is generally a pretty good sign that it's coming to the end of its direction. See if you look back here, see when it did it there. Yeah, so I think that's what I'll need to look out for next time it goes up. But at the moment, I would say it's probably going to turn around soon. But generally, the overall trend is upwards like this with these higher lows all the time. So that's good. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Anyway, I think I'll probably leave the video here for the time being. But yeah, if you do want to see what's going on and have a chat with other people as well, go over to savewithcrypto.org/TG, join the announcement Telegram channel. And at the top of that, you'll see a pinned message with instructions on how to get into the Save With Crypto club, where you can have a chat with other people and me. And that'll be cool. And if you haven't got a ByBit account, please do go and get one using my link, which is savewithcrypto.org/ByBit. I mean, most people won't get $30,000 bonus, but if you make small deposits, you do get, pro rata bonuses. I think when I joined up a couple of years ago, I think I ended up with about $500 bonus. You get other bonuses afterwards as well, so I'm not sure if you get them if you just go straight to the site. So it does make sense to use my link. So please do that. All right, so I'll leave it there for the time being. I don't think much is happening at the moment, but I am looking for a bit more upside. And then I think when we get to 30k, I think it's going to come crashing right down to some horrifically low figure, like, I don't know, 20k or so. But we'll see what happens, when we get there. To me, I think that's probably why it's making more sense for me now to be trading with the majority of my funds in USDT and only a small amount in Bitcoin, because I am anticipating, quite a phenomenal crash in the next month or so. But I think once we've had that crash, I think, we'll go up to much higher values probably next year. Okay, so if you've got any comments or anything you'd like to say, please leave that down below. While you're down there, do give the video a like. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you've got the notifications set on all. And above all, tell your friends.